there. So I wanted to take a moment in this video to show you how to utilize the Google tools that you have available to you right here within your planner. So you'll notice over here on the right-hand side, you have the icons for Google Calendar, Google Keep, and Google Tasks. And these three tools are extremely helpful for keeping yourself organized throughout the school year. So let's start with the Google Calendar first. Let's say you have a project that you're working on and you want to make a note here. You want to put it on the calendar. Let's say you're going to make some greenhouses. You can add students or teachers right here. If you're collaborating with another student or another teacher, you can add their information here. You can add a location. If you want to do a Google Meet video conference, you can do that. You can add a description with links. You can even attach portions of this planner if you wanted to, or another document. And then my favorite feature is right here where my name is. If you utilize the Google Classroom setting, you can actually select one of the subjects that you teach. And what that is going to do is it's going to make this item show up on your student's Google Calendar. So let's go ahead and save this and see what that looks like. So it's showing up right here on my calendar, which I can double check as I'm working through my planner. But as I switch over to my Google Classroom, if I go up to the classwork section, you'll notice that there's a spot here for Google Calendar. When I click on that, I can see right here that the project is showing up for all of my students to see, and they have another way to view this as well. And so this is just a really neat feature to just kind of simplify and have everybody on the same page. Google Keep is another great tool where you can sync your notes. It's a note-taking tool, but you can sync notes across different devices. And again, you can share with other teachers or students. And then Tasks is more like a to-do list where you can type out some of the projects or things that you need to get done on your to-do list here. The last thing I wanted to show you in this planner is how to copy a particular slide. For example, let's say you would like to send out the parent letter. So once you go in and let's say you're going to send out a letter to your parents to let them know about the project, you'll want to make sure you go ahead and edit the letter the way that you want, customize it for your project and fill out however you want to do this. And then one of the things you can do is going over here to File. You could make a copy of this selected slide. So it would just be this slide, and you can save that as a separate letter. You can, once you have it maybe saved as a separate slide, you can either email that slide to the parents. You can also download this slide as a PDF and send it via email that way as a PDF, or you can print it. And there is a black and white version here too if you would like to just print it. So I just wanted to show you a few of the Google tools and ways to kind of use them the best in your classroom environment and hopefully help you keep yourself organized this year with all of your projects.